Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming iOS is up to date and that you know the screen time passcode. This avoids interruptions. Once done, open Settings and tap Screen Time. If screen time is off, turn it on now so options appear. Make sure you're on the device whose restrictions you'll change. Family shared devices require the family organizer's passcode. This initial setup lets you access the content and privacy controls you'll modify in the next steps. You'll enter content and privacy restrictions using the screen time passcode. This unlocks granular controls. Next, review allowed apps to re-enable disabled apps, then set content restrictions for age ratings, web content, and explicit language. For location and privacy, change permissions from don't allow to allow while using or always as needed. If an item is grayed out, check for a supervising MDM profile. Once you adjust these settings here, the restrictions will be lifted for those features. You finish by restarting the iPhone to ensure all changes take effect. This often resolves lingering restrictions. If controls remain locked, inspect Settings General VPN and Device Management and remove any supervision profile with appropriate authorization. Should you forget the screen time passcode, use Apple ID Recovery or erase and restore the device as a last resort. Make backups first. One key troubleshooting tip: if family sharing and forced
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.